Are you curious about Graphene OS and Lineage OS? Let's dive into the differences between these two popular Android operating systems. Both Graphene OS and Lineage OS aim to enhance your Android experience. They focus on privacy, security, and customization, but they take different paths to achieve these goals. GrapheneOS is built with security as its top priority. It offers advanced features like enhanced privacy settings and strong app isolation. This makes it a great choice for users who want a secure environment for their data. It's designed for Google Pixel devices, ensuring optimal performance and compatibility. On the other hand, Lineage OS is all about customization. It provides a wide range of features that let you tweak your device to your liking. You can change themes, icons, and even system settings. LineageOS supports many devices, giving users more options to install it on different hardware. Now, let's look at the key differences. GrapheneOS focuses heavily on security and is limited to specific devices. Lineage OS, however, offers more customization and supports a broader range of devices. If you want a secure, privacy focused experience, GrapheneOS is the way to go. If you prefer flexibility and personalization, Lineage OS might be better for you. When it comes to features, Graphene OS includes advanced security options like sandboxing and secure app permissions. Lineage OS offers features like custom ROM options, performance tweaks, and a vibrant community for support. In terms of pricing, both are free to use. You don't have to pay anything to download or install either operating system. So, which one should you choose? If security is your main concern, go for Graphene OS. If you love customizing your device, Lineage OS is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.